Hello everyone! So for today's video, open natin yung PR package from Miss Jong. Ayan, thank you so much Miss Jong Shop. Ayan, maraming salamat po Miss Jong Shop. And of course, Miss Kate. Ayan, na nag-ano sa akin na ng PR package. So ayan, let's see kung ano yung laman nito. Bongga talaga si Miss Jong nagbigay ng PR package. So ayan, let's see kung ano yung laman nito guys. Ay, grabe. Ang daming laman. So, may pa-chocolate. Ayun, thank you so much, Miss Tosha. Ayan, super daming laman niya. Wait, ayan, bongga guys. Apakadami. Ayan, kompleto yung ating Miss Tosha. Ayan yung ating Bigger Jewelry Princess na. Yung ating Jewelry Princess na walang backback, walang redness, and walang downtime. Sa mga naghahanap ng jewelry princess na kumasyon in most of city jewelry natin. Ayan. Thank you so much, Miss Sunshot. Naghahanap niyo.